How to use Telegram on your iPhone. Telegram offers a feature-rich messaging experience with a focus on security and flexibility. This guide will unveil how to use Telegram on your iPhone, helping you connect with friends, family, and even join exciting online communities. First of all, download the Telegram app, then enter your phone number. Launch the app and enter your phone number to start the sign-up process, and Telegram will send a verification code via SMS to confirm your number. Add your name and profile picture. Telegram can sync with your iPhone's contacts to help you find friends and family who already use the app. Just like other messaging apps, Telegram allows you to send text messages, photos, videos, and other files directly to individual contacts. You can create different groups on Telegram, or you can create channels, which are one-way broadcast channels where admins or designated users post messages to a larger audience. Channels can have unlimited subscribers, making them ideal for following news sources, communities with specific interests, or public assignments. You can use the search bar to search for different groups or channels by name, or public links, as you can join groups or channels through public invitation links shared online on other platforms. Telegram has 3 different unique features, which are secret chats for enhanced privacy, stickers and GIFs. You can express yourself with a vast library of animated stickers and GIFs, adding a fun touch to your conversations, and large file sharing. Telegram allows you to send files up to 2 gigabytes in size, making it convenient for sharing large documents or media files. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.